I don't really think it gets any bigger than Google Online. It is the biggest branded name, period, on the planet when it comes to online. Heck, it's got its own pop culture reference. Google it. Today, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can use that branding power of Google to put money in your pocket. But first, I'm going to need you to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to need you to tick the bell notification so that you get notified of any videos I release when I release them. And if you want a two-way dialogue with me, instead of YouTube just me talking to you, join the Facebook group. It's on my channel right there. You can find it very easily. Link will probably be in the description. All right, so we're going to get on to how you can make money with Google. Way number 1. The way that you can make the first way is through Google Adsense. Now, there's 2 different Adsense. The one we're talking about right now is meant for websites, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to create a website and you're going to add Google AdSense, which is just ads onto your blog. You're going to rank it and hopefully you get a lot of traffic. And the more ads that people click on, you get paid, right? So this is like one of the oldest ways to make money online. It is difficult to do in high volume, 100% transparent upfront. But if you know what you're doing and you work at this, there are people that are making tens, hundreds of thousands of dollars every month using AdSense. AdSense is a very powerful tool, and don't sleep on it. It's very difficult to get started with. So unless you 100% are willing for the long game, don't think that this is going to be a get rich tomorrow kind of thing, right? So the other side of the coin on the AdSense is YouTube. So what you do with YouTube is you insert ads into your videos once you hit a certain threshold. You need to have 1,000 subscribers and you need to have 4,000 hours of watch time. That means people have consumed 4,000 hours of your content. Not that difficult to do. It depends on the niche that you're in, right? So not all niches are created the same when it comes to how AdSense is paid out. So if you go into like the gaming niche, right? For every 1,000 views, you might get $1 or $2. But if you go into, say, the make money online or the finance, banking, credit repair, any of that kind of stuff, you're looking upwards of $10, $20, $50 per 1,000 views. Now, nobody knows exactly what the formula is, but basically what it comes down to is advertisers are willing to pay more money in make money online niche than they are in gaming niches, right? Because with make money online, people are targeted. They're willing to spend $1,000 on a course. When you have a gaming channel, people might be willing to pay $10 for your product. So if somebody's only going to buy a product from you for $10, you can't spend $10 in advertising that, right? But people that are having a course that they're trying to sell for $1,000, they sure can sell a $10 click because they're going to make $1,000 when they sell it. Makes sense? So for number 2, that is YouTube AdSense. So moving on to number 3, we're piggybacking a little bit off of the original AdSense, but number 3 is SEO. So that stands for search engine optimization. I know that that's a pretty known term, but a lot of people don't know how to rank websites. They don't know what it takes to go into ranking a website. And it's one of those difficult things that it takes time. If you want a long-term business and you want to build it properly, it takes time. So you create a website, right? And now you want to rank it on Google. How do you go about that? Well, you got to find keywords that people are looking for. So here's a keyword that I was looking for earlier: how to start selling on eBay for beginners. I personally want to know how strong that keyword is, because I personally want to do a series on how to start selling on eBay for beginners, right? So I searched it, right? That's how people come across it in YouTube and on Google. They do a search and it provides search volume, right? Well, where do you come up with those keywords? Well, there's a really simple tool. It's called Answer the Public. It's 100% free, and it gives you, it spits out a bunch of keywords. So I just typed in how to make money, right? And it gives me all these search terms that people are looking for. So basically, when you want to write a blog, you're going to write a topic on each and every single one of these. You're going to write a blog post on when to make money on YouTube, how to make money when you're 11, um, how to make money in one day, how to make money blogging, how to make money, blah, 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 blah. You've got all these different blog posts that you can make an article on. And this works for AdSense as well, or with YouTube, because you could do the same thing with YouTube, right? But once you rank in Google, you can sell affiliate products on your website. So you don't even have to have AdSense on your blog at all. If you rank how to make money why in school, if you rank that, then you can sell an affiliate product related to that search term, right? So if you are how to make money in real estate, then you can sell a real estate course on that article. You could have it, the article, throughout the article, you explain that you have a course on how to sell real estate, and you tell people, 3 points, blah, blah, or you can go take my course. And you rank that article in Google, more people are going to come to that particular article when they search for how to make money on real estate, and a percentage of those people are going to buy your product. Makes sense? So that is the third way that you can make money from Big Daddy G. So the fourth way that you can make money from Google, number 4, is their very simple app. It's the Google Opinion Rewards, and they have it for Google Play, for Android, and they also have for iOS. So basically, anybody on the planet can make money from Google, no questions asked. Download the app, answer some questions, basic survey stuff. This ain't going to make you rich. This ain't going to make you a whole lot of money. But it is something that you could do. Google pays for it, obviously. You might pay your cell phone bill off in the month. Maybe that's just what you need. Maybe you might be able to pay for a nice dinner kind of thing in your spare time. Hey, more to you. But it is from Google. It will make you money. So, and the last way, number 5 on how Big Daddy G gonna pay you is through Google Ads, right? And this is AdWords especially, right? So basically what you're going to do is basically the same thing as SEO, but instead of search engine optimization, instead of finding keywords that people are looking for and try to rank for that, you're just going to go straight to the source. You're going to pay Google to show your ad in front of specific people. And what you want to do is you want to make more money on what you're promoting than what you're spending in ads. So it's just a simple thing. So you're going to create a website. Usually it's a very simple website that's going to sell or promote a product. And you're going to basically have Google artificially show it at the top of the search rankings by paying them, and hope that enough people click on it and buy your product, right? And people make a ton of money using Google AdWords. So I don't particularly do a lot with ads, to be 100% transparent. It's not something that I've ever really had a deep interest in, because you really have to have some deep pockets if you really want to go deep with ads. And it's just something that I've never really been interested in. Where I've always wanted more organic kind of growth. But it is something that's on the horizon for me, and I definitely know that I have to get into, because if you want to make that next step from this level to this level, you definitely have to use ads. That's how every single big name entrepreneur online has done it. They're using ads to springboard them into the next one. So if you really want to get to that next level, you're going to be running ads, just point blank. So it might be something that you want to start now on learning rather than later. All right, so that is my top 5 ways that you can make money from Google. Guys, hope you love the video. Make sure you tick the little like button, give it a little tickle. See you guys in the next video.